Ndura Park, also known as Kitale Nature Conservancy, was founded 2 decades ago. It is situated just 2 kilometers from Kitale town, along the Kitale-Kapenguria Road in Trans Nzoia County. This expansive 200-acre sanctuary offers a serene natural environment. The savanna grasslands and woodlands that used to be the habitat for wildlife around this area were destroyed by hunting, leading to the loss of the animals' natural homes. Kitale Nature Conservancy stepped in with a mission to restore the original habitat by preserving the remaining native plants and animals. The sanctuary is split into 2 sections, a botanical garden housing hundreds of native plants, and a park featuring caged animals and deformed farm animals grazing freely. It is renowned for offering a sanctuary to animals with deformities, including twisted necks, missing limbs, and various body parts such as legs, hooves, and tails, as well as conditions like elephantiasis. The Conservancy provides various activities, including educational tours, research programs, camping, team building facilities, boat rides, picnics, and hiking on the 1-kilometer nature trail. Additionally, there is a designated play area for kids with swings and merry-go-rounds. The park is a great place for school kids and university students to learn and conduct research. It features illustrations explaining the stages of human evolution from early man to the modern man, as well as illustrations telling stories from the Bible, something that school kids can learn a lot from. The place is also very scenic. The buildings in the area look ancient in a beautiful way, and there's a lot of greenery and colorful paintings. So buckle up, guys. Let's explore Ndura Park together. So guys, this is the first thing that you see when you get to the establishment, and it leads to the reception area. Is it a walk-in or is it like you're driving through? It's walking. Like a nature trail.
Walking a nature trail.
Ah, okay. That's nice. So the charges are like 150 per person. Thank you. So hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nelima. If you're a returning subscriber, you're very much welcome, and if it's your first time here, then please subscribe. I'm coming to you from Kitale at Ndura National Conservancy, or better yet, Ndura Park. A simple drive to the supermarket turned into a walk to the park. We were just heading to the supermarket to buy some house supplies, and then we passed by the park, and we decided to pop in, and that's how I found myself at Ndura National Conservancy. Yeah, I'm so excited to go in. You know, I love nature, I love wildlife. Yeah, we love to travel, we love to see new places, so I'm excited to take you guys along. Yeah, let's see how Dura National Park of Kitale is. It's more like a nature trail, it's not a drive-in, and we're gonna see lions, leopards, crocodiles, llama, baboons, tortoises, ostrich, hyena. Looks like deformed animals. The entrance to the park is 150 bob. Yeah, that is the place. This is the entrance. That is where you pay. Just some stuff about the place, soil conservation and stuff. Yeah, I'm so excited to see what is inside. So now we are walking into the park. This is more like the beginning. Hi, baboons.
Egyptothecus. Dropithecus. Just touch us.
The imitation though. The weather is not so good today. It looks as though it's going to rain any moment from now. More statues of the baboon. More statues of the baboon.
Did you learn about Moretus in school?
Yeah. Homo sapiens.
Look at that.
Homo sapiens sapiens.
What do we have here?
Sorry, I just Oh!
An imitation of Noah's Ark. This must be a Christian establishment. Baby Jesus. Be a responsible tourist by keeping the trail clean.
So we are walking 1.5.
This must be a Christian establishment. These are depictions of the stories of the Bible, like the death of Jesus, the way he was nailed on the cross. Yeah. How well do you know your CRE or your Bible? There must be lions somewhere.
I'm now confused. Yeah. This is a Ndura Park or a...
Let's see. We're trying to locate the lions. Okay, the wild animals that you were promised. That must be the story of the 10 Commandments, right? Ama?
Yeah, Mount Kevin.
Okay.
Mountain of blessings. If you keep the commandments, yeah, that's nice.
Yes. Yeah, I know my CRE well. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. From this side, I guess we can continue to explore. As you can see, the painting is ongoing.
9.
You're doing a great job. Are you the one who painted all this?
Yep.
Ah, that's nice. Hard at work. The artist. His work is really good. Very talented. Kuna lions? Ziko side gani? So we go this way. Ama we can still.
Nature trail, but sababu maybe awele nazaenda tu.
Okay.
Pale imeandikwa to the playground.
This way? Okay. So it's just about to rain. Let us see if you're going to spot the wild animals before it starts to pour. Yeah, but so far, this is what the park has to offer. Let's see what more is there. You didn't even carry an umbrella, imagine. Let's see. I hope the rain holds until we finish the tour of the park. Boat ride. Wait, there's even a boat ride. 15 kilometers. What?
1.5 kilometers. Boat ride.
There's a boat ride somewhere.
You have to get to the very end.
What do we have here? What is written there? Road to nowhere. I tell you, bros. Where? Aki, I better spot those animals. But anyway, so far I'm enjoying the nature. On this channel, we love nature, we love wild animals.
Overtake.
Keep the nature trail clean. Narrow lane ahead. So far we've not seen any animals. Not seen any animals so far. We are hoping to spot something as we proceed. What does this signpost say? Trees and plants. That is a conjoined tree. Yeah, it's like the same concept of the conjoined twins. Yeah.
There are two trees that joined
together.
Oh, I've understood.
What?
So the trees and the nature seems to be the animal.
I've
What
seen
side, yeah?
there is a river right there, or I don't know what that is. Starting to feel some raindrops.
We are going around.
Guys, me, I'm looking for the lions that we were promised to see. What? Did you notice this meander in the river? What is a river meander? A sudden change in course and direction of a river. A river changes its course to form a meander due to deposition on one side of the river, sudden rise in the slope on the ground, hard bedrock. Where some GHC. Still on the lookout for wild animals. Where? Fishing spots. River meander, ideal for fishing. We didn't come here for fishing. We didn't carry any fishing equipment. So that is a hard pass.
Let's go.
Let us continue.
Adventure.
I hope it doesn't rain.
Forests and lands.
Forests are the lungs of the earth. So we have a little hoop that we have to jump. And then we continue. What we have here? The clean air here is a therapy to your lungs. Take a deep breath. Clean indeed.
Yeah, that air is very fresh.
Yeah.
Bend your scalp. Don't injure your medulla oblongata.
Yeah, because there's this tree branches that are hanging low.
Yes.
So if you're tall, mind your heads.
Mind your head for tall girls first.
That's Becky Wanyonyi doing her thing. My travel buddy that I get to see once in a year.
Let's see what we got here. What do we got here? Lichens.
What is that?
Lichens, moss. Everything you learned in your biology class.
Okay.
Yeah. More forests, more greenery. But honestly, so the air here is very clean. So therapeutic.
The animal thing was, I'm starting to think that it was a bluff. Mumeona wanyama? Kuna wanyama? Wait, guys. My worst fears have been confirmed. No wildlife in this park.
More of a forest.
Woo.
Have you taken note of this time?
Look up and see the ungrateful fig tree. It has swallowed its hosts.
Look up and see the grateful fig tree. It has swallowed its host, the phoenix reclinita, whatever.
Reclinta is
Woo.
not bird.
Guys, can you see that? Do you believe that? Oh, that's interesting.
Very interesting tree right here.
Remember the artist telling us that if we follow the route that he was pointing at, we are going to see lions. Do you remember? Like on a serious note, yeah? Imagine, bado not after lions. Look at that view behind me. Ooh. Imagine bado, I'm still looking for. I've not even seen a monkey. Ndura Park. Do you have animals at Ndura Park? Do we? Look at that. Love the view. Still looking for. I'm looking for the place where they say they have boat rides and the wild animals. That's what I'm looking for. Approaching the savannah. Wow. Look at that. Are you listening to the sound of nature?
Which animals are those?
Crickets. Are those crickets?
Crickets.
Yeah.
Crickets. Yeah, the savannah.
Doing my 5 kilometers for the day in the park.
Is this 5 kilometers really? It does. Sounds like 3 kilometers away. You're proceeding on your nature. Proceeding on your nature. Cool. Savannah.
Look at that.
Nice. Green grass. Good place for picnic lovers.
I am tired.
Looks like it's not going to rain anymore.
I don't think it will rain.
Yeah. Looks like it's not going to rain anymore.
I think there's no animal here.
Ndura Park. It's a big place, eh?
Whoosh. We have discovered, as Becky Wanyonyi is saying, Becky, tell them. This is not a national park. It is nature conservancy, and there are no wild animals. So Ndura Park is more like a nature conservancy. Do you have any wild animals around here?
We have antelopes here.
Antelopes. Guys, there you have it. There's no chance of seeing a lion or the deformed animals that you were promised, or leopards. No such thing. But we've really enjoyed our nature walk all the same, nevertheless. But there are no wild animals. So guys, we've come to the end of the nature walk. We haven't spotted even a single wild animal around here. And the funny thing is that the staff, the people who work here, affirmed us that we're going to see some wild animals. Even at the entrance, there are those posts that I think we must have seen it by now. If you've watched up to this point, they were saying they're going to see leopards, lions, different animals, like that. We have not spotted any of those, any animals so far. So we're going to ask the reception. We're going to inquire. They need to clarify what exactly they meant. So I think this is a play area for the kids, and this marks the end of the nature walk. Play area for kids. It goes from there. But there are a few animals on this side of the Sahara. So guys, we finally got to the other section of the park that features the caged wild animals and the deformed farm animals. You can't imagine the excitement that we had when we got to this point. It had been a really long wait, but it was totally worth it. It was quite a good experience that we'd like to tag you along. So stay around to check out the animals with us. This is a type of, Becky, they've said a camel.
A llama.
It's called llama. They usually exist in colder climes. Yeah. They exist in colder climes.
We go back.
So donkey. See the rest of the animals.
Yeah, just
one doesn't have a tail.
Mom, buy for me ice cream.
Guys, look at this animal. It doesn't have a tail. It's a cow that doesn't have a tail. Interesting.
Very interesting.
It's deformed. It's deformed. It has like a slight limp. This one does not have a tail. This one does not have a tail. You can see. This one has a small tail, but it looks deformed. Yeah, it has a short tail. And then the one at the far end, it is like dwarfish. It's a cow that is so short. It's like a dwarf. The one over there. So this is me amidst the animals. So fascinating.
Look at how it's sitting. Like this.
That is the one. The one right behind me has such big horns. Like the horns are massive. I'm trying to focus, to get my screen to focus. That one has such big horns. And then the one that is right behind me on this side, one is deformed. The one that's white with camel brown patches does not have a tail. Yeah, can you imagine? Look at that. Becky is over there vlogging. Yeah.
Becky, umeona hiyo ya mkia ndogo?
We're going to spot some caged animals. Sorry. Don't feed the animals.
This way, fast. This way.
Be friendly to animals, don't disturb or feed them. So guys, finally, we've gotten to the part of the park where they have caged wild animals, like what you're seeing right there. Which animal is this? Hyena. That's a hyena. Yeah.
Cows.
We have some caged animals around here. We have more cows. That is a cow. Check out that breed of cow.
Guys are so big.
It has no legs.
It has no legs.
It has no hooves.
It has no hooves, this cow.
It has legs.
No, it has no hooves.
It has no hooves. It's a crippled cow.
It's a what type of cow? Crippled.
Crippled.
Oh, it's a crippled cow. Oh no, though it's
This one.
beautiful. So beautiful.
Look at that breed of monkey. It's called an olive baboon. Must be another rare species. Look at that. It's an olive baboon. What do they say about it? Guys, that's an olive baboon. Hi. Hi. Look at you. Hello. Look at that one. So cute, so tiny. It's called a Brazos monkey. Oh. having some fun. Look at the way it's bouncing. Jaywalking. Hello, you guy. Llama from Peru. Guys. Look at that ostrich. It's feeding on grass.
The crocodile meat is very sweet.
It's very nice.
Wow, a crocodile. It really moves, by the way.
Yeah.
It really moves.
Inakaa tu kama stone.
It stays in one
You can easily-
place or position for so long.
Yeah, when it's on a rock, you even wouldn't know that it is there until it catches somebody.
It really ever moves, by the way.
So there's one here and another one there.
Mm.
About the crocodile.
That is trophy.
Also the fact about a crocodile.
I'm being told that
About the crocodile. They have
its meat is
the
very
strongest
sweet.
bite in the animal kingdom. Have 64
What?
to 68 sharply pointed cone-shaped teeth. They can grow up to 5 meters and weigh up to 1,650 pounds. Female lay eggs between 25 and 8 at a time. They open their mouth to cool off. They kill their prey by drowning them in the water. Their jaws can be strained using a touch stick. Their jaws simply aren't strong enough to break free. They live between 70 to 100 years, for 5 years in the wild. They control their body temperatures by entering the water and basking in the sun when cold. Their sex are sometimes different.
Affix the eggs incubates. Ooh.
Interesting facts right there.
There's the lion.
Which animal is here?
Leopard. You have not?
I've not seen it.
You have not? You have not seen the leopard. And the facts are there. You can read the facts.
Ah, yeah.
Read,
There is the leopard. Wow. And those are the facts about the leopard. Look at that. That's a lion. Ugandan. Ugandan.
No, is this a crow or... I remember we were told the name of that bird. You remember?
Yeah. I hope Billy doesn't try to pull any stunts with the lion, please.
Wait, where is the This is not a tortoise area.
Look at this man.
Hey, it's coexisting with the birds. Very rare kind of monkey.
They're blending in colors.
Yeah. Ooh.
Wow.
Oh.
Beautiful.
They can fly. Oh, look at this monkey. It's very unique.
So cute. Yeah.
I didn't know this bird can fly that high.
Yeah.
Oh, that was nice.
Ama, these are peacocks.
There was a name. I don't know, it's crow. Next.
But that one there is like a vulture.
Ah, the one that has a very sharp beak.
You see, it's standing with one leg.
Yeah.
All of them, they stand with one leg. Look at this one.
Oh, yeah.
They stand with one leg. This is beautiful.
Coexisting. Okay, Mom, look at this monkey. This is what is it eating? Is that
A bottle. He's playing with it. You want to open? Mr. Monkey? Ah, he's washing. Wow. Give it to us. I don't know which part is that.
Of attention. Look. This one can pounce.
they can pounce on you and
Oops!
speed.
Staying on, guys. What?
Kuja hapa bro. 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 Inafanyanga hivyo. Kasirika hivyo. Inafanyanga hivyo.
Ona vile inafanya.
Kuna machachari la
Both male and female roar can be heard 5 miles. And ona vile inafanya.
Hey, these ones are fierce. They're really.
Ona vile inafanya ile. What? They have never come so close to it like that. What? Hiyo meno ikikushika hivi.
And it's so heavy.
Yeah, it's very, ndio inashikanga hata nini.
It's very heavy. We're heading to the boat ride section. Boat ride is free. Boat ride is free. Mom, can you record? Sisi tunaenda na beki.
Billy.
Becky, will you record me?
Me, you go and then I go.
Yeah, Mom, sukuja to record.
Hey. Mom, unaweza record. I'll just show you.
Don't cover the camera. We're going on a boat ride.
We are going on a boat ride.
Yeah.
Oh, big. Mimi nitakuitia tadia alitokuchoka nini?
Makafeli, makafeli. Eta boat. Ilete. Sasa Bungoma na test hata Bungoma kama inaendelea Bungoma hii. Wa test leo. Ile ndio.
Thank Nikienda huko nikienda na huko.
Ena mbele, songa mbele. Hapo mkale karibu.
Ngojeni.
Songa mbele.
Kucha hapa Billy back to.
The pilot.
Hapa ni sawa Billy, usiende huko.
Hapo hapo sawa tu bado. Hapo hapo haizi anguka. Haizi anguka. Ako sawa hivi. Akaanguka na mchukua haraka sana. Yako nakuja, wewe junga bana, unaangalia wewe. Hata tuone dereva wa Bungoma na wa Kitale. Hey, Lalisa. Utapenya katikati bana, huko umekutana bana. Hapo. Umeenda viko sawa. Inakunywa maji. Sio mama. Sinakwambia ukweli. Irinye paki. Wacha ni enjoy kitu bana. Siende chako kitu. Kama ni ningekaa na wewe basi. Nikija basi nikio. Nafai. Taani. Ona hii shughuli. Ni shughuli. Awe nao wafanya kugani nengi nalikia watu wangalia bali nalikia. Sawa, fanya kazi yako wewe. Unachukua umwiko, wewe unatokea. Sasa mnapiga kwa kesho na kesho kutwa sijui mnakuwa mnachukua. Naongea ndio kule vizuri kwanza. Sio wengi wanakuwa wamejaa.
Pata huko.
Utapata nini nikaogelea mtoni sasa. Sio mambo. Kwani? Kwani mnaitwa nani?
Unaenda huko mbali sana.
Vai
The sun.
Wewe wacha. Piga rivers. Bora kujaje? Lakini akija yangu na shida.
Amle wewe baba ni yako huko. Chukua mkwenye mle mdogo wa baba hapa. Ngani mkwenye? Sibungoma ndio hiyo na mkwenye ndio. Mkae na bungo ndio nyungu hiyo.
Kuna watu wanapanga.
Kae na mkwenye nyungu hivyo ndio kwenye.
Hata maji hizi
ila kalia kwa mbele mwisho. Ila kalia kwa mbele mwisho. Alafu
maji ndio hiyo. Sasa unajua hizi kondozi uanga zinaongelesha. Ngoja msenge kitu Facebook.
hii hapo koti bwana, hiyo ngoja kesho kule kifu. Mimi naileta hapo maji.
Kwa kali hapa. Nakutana na nyinyi. Kile hapa nichukue picha.
Sasa sio mwenyewe ni chifu. Chukua Bungoma. Bungoma ndio hapo. Unaweza kuna matawi. Ndio ametuangusha. Ngamia.
Hao na nini na wao ngoja.
Unaona? Piga mbili.
Iko na nyinyi tu. Unacheza na hapa
Matare, sasa unaona? Unaona hapa? Ukui. Ndio matare baada ya kuumwa mbafu.
Bila nyinyi hapa. Ndio kwa ikona.
Kuumwa mbafu kwa cheki.
Kucha wewe.
That was good. Woo. Woo. Yes. So I really had a good, like a fun boat ride. Yeah, it was really enjoyable. Scary at the beginning, but I conquered the fear and got on the boat. Yeah, and now we are ready to go home, but first we're grabbing an ice cream snack. And then we can be on our way back home. But it has been a very exciting impromptu trip, but it wasn't planned at all. Yeah, the funnest things are the spontaneous ones. The funnest things to do are the ones, the things that you enjoy the most are the ones that are not planned. And is one of them. I came here with my family, spent some quality time with them. December is for family. Looking forward to spending some more quality time with them before we go back to the city. We are in Kitale. It's a very nice place, very beautiful. Yeah, so now we want to grab ice cream and then we can be on our way back home. Ice cream time. Nampio, you can have your hand. Ice cream, ice cream, we scream.
Yes.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Hey.
Yamas. My turn. That is my one. He's making a very generous one for a baby girl. Fit for a baby girl. Yamas. Ice cream. Calories don't count in December. On holiday rather. It's good. So good. So good. My mom is the one who recorded our boat ride. After we coerced her, she was about to say no, but we said no. It has been a very fun day. Yeah, baby girls. Home time. This marks the end of our little trip to Ndura Park. It has been so exciting. We got to enjoy the nature walk. We got to see some caged animals, some rare species of farm animals. They have a lot of fun activities for kids, as you can see. They have merry-go-rounds, they have bouncy castle, they have the those nice potty cars that kids enjoy to ride. Yeah, and we also got to enjoy a boat ride for free. Haven't gone on a boat ride for such a long time. That one was fun to do. I was scared at the beginning, as I'd mentioned, but yes, I got over my fear and I got on the boat. Yeah, so now we're going home. So I highly recommend the place if you're looking for a fun, impromptu, low budget activity to do when you're in Kitale. You can come to Ndura camp. Yeah, it's a good way to pass time. Like, we were here at around 2. I don't know what time it is. I think it's going to maybe 6 in the evening. It's such a nice place to come with family and kids or just friends, whichever. It's a nice family destination. Yeah, it has been very enjoyable, and yeah, I highly recommend it. Like a solid 10 for me. It's such a nice place. Yeah, they have a restaurant somewhere around here where they serve food. They also sell snacks, like you've seen me enjoying an ice cone. So yeah, so let me love you guys and leave you. I will catch you guys on the next one. My mom is showing me a male sheep with what? A male sheep. Yeah, before we go, I'm being told that there's a sheep here with 3 legs, guys. This is supposed to mark the end of the vlog, but you can just, yeah, look at it.
This one has 3. This one has 3.
There,
But these ones are different.
it has 3 legs, guys.
This one has 3. This one has
Yeah,
3.
they have 3
This
legs,
one has
the
3
sheep.
and a half. This one has a broken leg.
Yeah, so that's it, guys, for today. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for tagging along with me.